Actor turned politico Jestoni Alarcon just turned 53. The Rizal board member looks hotter than ever, according to his wife, Rizal. Rizal shared on Facebook a sweet birthday message for her hubby. She describes him as most loving, caring, and kind. Lisette also said Alarcon is the best father and husband. Before becoming a board member of Rizal, Alarcon was first elected as city councilor of Antipolo. He also served as vice governor of Rizal.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.